everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, make sure to hit on that subscribe button and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download Deepseek AI in your laptop. Yes, you heard me right. Downloading Deepseek in your laptop is really simple, so without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First, open up your App Store on your laptop. Then click on the search bar and type in Deepseek. There you'll see Deepseek AI. Hit on the Get button. Now the installation may take time depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is completed, you'll see a open sign. You can open Deepseek by tapping on Open right from the App Store, or you can open from your home screen. Now you can skip all the parts and click on Deepseek Chat, and that's it. You have now successfully downloaded Deepseek in your laptop. Isn't it super simple? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit on that thumbs up button, and if you have any questions, drop down in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video.